Here we are at Jeep Glass. We have Todd, our technician.
Hello. The reason I'm making this video today is because I've had people want to know how to install the molding on the glass. What you're looking at here is our replacement kit that you can get at our website, Jeepglass.com. It comes with a windshield, molding, 2 tubes of primerless urethane, and 3 different tips. The tips are designed to open the tubes of glue. The important part today is this is the back side of the glass. When you're installing this, you try to find the middle, you start, and you peel it back and it opens this gap up so that you can roll it on, and then you push it into place. And the reason this works so well is because inside this gap, it's got some sticky stuff in there that holds the molding to the windshield. It's a little time consuming, but this is the only way to put it on so that it stays. This replacement kit works from 76 to 86 CJs, 87 to 95 CJs, and 97 to 2006 TJ and LJ. Obviously the glass would be different, but the kit is basically the same. It doesn't take all that long to do this. But here in a minute, I'll show you the finished product. So it comes a little bit long when I'm done with it. What I like to do is cut it just about a little longer than it needs to be, and that's because over a period of time these will shrink. So it overlaps slightly right now, and I just force it together, push it all in. And there's the finished product. It's a nice clean molding. And that's the end of our little video. Thanks for watching. Jeepglass.com.